Welcome to Moselle Valley, in the sun-drenched east of Luxembourg, where the Moselle River meanders lazily between vine-clad slopes and storybook villages, lies a region steeped in liquid gold. The Moselle Valley, Luxembourg's wine country, is a place where time slows to the rhythm of lapping waves and clinking glasses. Here, terraced vineyards cascade down to the water's edge, family-run wineries have perfected their craft over centuries, and the air hums with the promise of crisp Rieslings and sparkling Cremant. But the Moselle is more than a wine lover's paradise. It's a land where Roman barges once plied the river, where three nations shake hands at the Schengen Agreement Monument, and where half-timbered villages like Remich and Grevenmacher invite leisurely strolls along cobblestone quays. Whether you're cycling through rows of vines, sipping award-winning vintages at a waterfront café, or tracing the footsteps of European unity, the Moselle Valley offers a sensory journey through history, culture, and nature's bounty. The Moselle Valley's identity is inseparable from its wine. With a viticultural history stretching back to Roman times, the region's steep, south-facing slopes and mineral-rich soils produce wines of remarkable elegance. Many estates still use the deme system, a medieval practice where vineyard plots are divided among heirs, creating a mosaic of micro-producers. Join a wine hike to meet these passionate vintners. The Moselle River, forming Luxembourg's eastern border with Germany, is the valley's lifeblood. In a world often hurried and fragmented, this sliver of Luxembourg whispers a timeless truth: that beauty, history, and connection flow as gracefully as the river itself. One can buy a Moselle pass for discounts on cruises, museums, and tastings to make your movements and tours plans flawless around the Moselle Valley. Once again, welcome to Moselle Valley.